Okay, we have before us a question to solve. Solve for k in the equation 1 over 8 raised to power k plus 2 equals to 1. We have some options: A, 2, option B, minus 2, option C, minus 3, and option D, 4. So let's get down to business. Let's finish up this. Now we have this equation solution now. Okay, now we have this equation 1 all over 8. This is raised to power k plus 2 equals to 1. So this 1 over 8, if you remember some of the working indices, some of the law, this is the same as 8 raised to minus 1. That 1 over 8 the same as 8 raised to minus 1. So we already have the initial power k plus 2 is equals to minus, or is equals to 1 rather, not minus 1, it's equals to 1. Now, by the law of indices, we have a power minus 1, we have another power k minus 2. So that is the same thing as having 8 raised to negative 1, using it to multiply this and this, multiply this. So let's just rewrite that, k and plus 2. So we are using that to multiply this, equals to. You also agree with me that in the laws of indices, any number raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 1 here. So since we are already having a base of 8 here, so we can say 8 raised to power 0, and 8 raised to power 0 is 1. So if we eliminate the base, we are left with this goes. So we are left with, saying the base are the same, we can eliminate that. So let's use the minus 1 to clear this bracket. So minus 1 times k, we have minus k. Minus 1 times plus 2, we have minus 2. And that will be equals to what is left here. The index here is 0. So we have minus k minus 2 equals to 0. So we make k the subject formula. If you do that, initially you have minus k, because we are moving the minus 2 over to the other side, the right hand side, and minus 2 moving to this other side becomes plus 2, So we have plus 2 there. Now remember, we have minus k. So if we divide both sides by minus 1 by minus 1, because we have a coefficient of minus 1, so we divide both sides by minus 1, we have the minus taken care of. So minus k divided by minus 1 will give us k, and 2 divided by minus 1, we have minus 2. So that is the answer to that question. So if we go back to the option, the correct answer to that question is option B. That is the correct answer, option B. So let me write it here as well. Option B is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.